Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car001. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the return of a retro legend, the 2025 VW Karmann Ghia Type 14. Volkswagen has officially revived this iconic coupe, and this time, it's all electric. A perfect blend of vintage styling and modern EV technology, this car is set to turn heads and redefine nostalgia on wheels. The original Karmann Ghia, produced from 1955 to 1974, was known for its sleek curves and sporty yet elegant design. Now, in 2025, VW has brought it back with a futuristic twist while preserving its timeless appeal. The new model retains the signature low-slung stance, smooth body lines, and teardrop headlights, but it's been modernized with LED lighting, aerodynamic refinements, and a more aggressive front fascia. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, this reborn Karmann Ghia is powered by Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same used in the ID lineup. It features a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup, delivering around 300 horsepower, with a dual-motor AWD option rumored to push past 400 horsepower. This isn't just a stylish cruiser, it's a performance-driven EV. Expect a 0 to 60 mph time of under 5 seconds, making it a serious contender in the electric sports coupe segment. Battery-wise, VW equips it with an 82 kWh pack, promising an estimated range of 300 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities allow an 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Inside, the retro theme continues with a minimalist yet luxurious cockpit. Leather-wrapped seats, a digital gauge cluster styled to resemble classic dials, and a central touchscreen with VW's latest infotainment system bring modern tech into this classic-inspired interior. The 2025 Karmann Ghia Type 14 is more than just a nostalgic throwback, it's a statement. With limited production planned, it's set to be a collector's dream. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car content. See you in the next video.